Hello everyone, I am Manobhav Verma. I am a chartered accountant from India, CPA from United States. I hold diploma in IFRS from ACCA UK, also diploma in Information Systems Audit from ICI Delhi. I did my graduation from Sri Ram College of Commerce, Delhi University, and I've also done my masters from IGNOU. I carry with myself 10 plus years of experience in industry, working in organizations like KPMG, EXL Services, Whirlpool, and Excel Catlin. I have worked in the roles related to GL accounting, R2R, closing and reporting, and process transformations. I also carry with myself 13 plus years of experience in teaching line. Currently, I am associated as a visiting faculty with EduPristine. I am also an associate professor with a couple of colleges with international affiliation. I joined EduPristine back in 2013, that is 7 plus years, wonderful years with this institute. I have been taking lectures for the international financial accounting courses like CPA US, CMA US, ACCA, IFRS, and also Indian accounting course, that's business accounting and tax. At Delhi Center, I am one of their lead faculties for CPA US. It has been wonderful experience, wonderful journey with this institute. I have seen EduPristine, the tremendous growth, exponentially growing, especially last couple of years, which has been crucial. Not only they have taken their infrastructure to a global level, but also they are now part of the global education group, that's ACLIM. It's a wonderful team to work with. They have world-class faculty with different experience, versatile experiences not only in teaching, but they carry different industrial experience with them, whether it relates to CPA, CFA, or financial modeling. And if you ask me what I like about EduPristine, I can't just pinpoint one, there are many things. If I think about as an instructor or empathize myself as a student, what would you want in an educational institute? You want support, you want flexibility, you have content, you want some kind of a placement assessments. What else you want? Everything is actually offered by EduPristine on one platform. Let me talk about CPA US. We have live classes at different centers. For example, I am taking classes at Delhi Center. We have LVC online sessions a student can take from any part of the globe. We have affiliation with number one publication for CPA US, that's Becker's. They have their own recorded lectures. They have 8,000 plus practice questions, 12 plus mock exams. From an academic side, that's more than enough. Now, not only that, EduPristine also provides their in-house specialist team who works on the soft skills and communication. They also have in-house team who provides assistance for placements. They also have their LMS portal, which can be used, rather currently being used by various students to post their queries, which gets routed to various faculties for the resolutions. Not only that, EduPristine is very flexible. They organize doubt-solving sessions, recap sessions as and when requested by students. What all do you wish from an educational institute? So it's absolutely great to be affiliated with such an institute which has shown, adaptability, flexibility over the number of years, be it COVID-19 or any other challenge. I'm sure this exponential will grow, absolutely further without any limits. And I'm very, very proud to be associated with such an institute. It has been a great work, the entire team. My heartiest congratulations, kudos, take care everyone, cheers.